Hello friends, welcome back. Today I will teach you to make a quick pizza. And all the ingredients for making it are right in your kitchen. This is a quick recipe. If your kids are hungry and you want to make something simple and very quick, then this recipe is for you. The ingredients required to make the pizza are mozzarella cheese cubes, oregano, chili flakes, capsicum cubes, and onion cubes. You can add some other vegetables other than the ones I am using. I have taken some tomato ketchup. If you have pizza sauce, you can use it instead of tomato ketchup. Pizza sauce was not available with me, so I am using tomato ketchup and I will teach you using the tomato ketchup recipe. You will require some salt for taste. And chapati are main ingredient. Let's start making the pizza. You can make this pizza in the oven or on the pan. It's your choice. I will show you this recipe on the pan. That is why I have preheated the pan on a slow gas so that it generates heat within the pan. First spread some sauce on the chapati. This sauce is not a pizza sauce. So, to get the pizza sauce flavor, add some oregano. If you wish to, you can mix the oregano and ketchup together. And then spread it on the chapati. Now add some chili flakes. Chili flakes can be added according to your taste. If you want more spice in your pizza, then you can add more chili flakes. If you're making this pizza for your kids, and they don't like spicy, then you can add less. Now spread some cheese above the layer. If you don't have cheese cubes, then you can use sliced cheese too. Now spread some onion cubes. You can use any vegetables in this pizza. I am making a pizza with leftover chapati, that is why I am using the ingredients that are available at my home. But don't worry, I will also tell you what other variations you can give to your pizza. So if you have other vegetables, you can use them in your pizza too, and let me know down in the comments. How was your variation? You can add vegetables like corn, mixed bell peppers, mushroom, edge. Now spread capsicum cubes. Now sprinkle some salt. Because the vegetables didn't have salt, the pizza might be tasteless if you don't add salt. If you want to, then you drizzle a little tomato ketchup. If you are making this pizza for children, then put more ketchup. Because kids like more of ketchup. Now add another layer of cheese cubes. Now sprinkle some oregano again. For flavor. And some chili flakes. Now I will keep this pizza in the pan, which I had already kept for preheating, so that the pizza gets ready fast, as the base or the chapati is already cooked. We have to keep the pizza in the pan till the cheese doesn't melt, a bit brownish. This is the pan, which I had kept for preheating. Add As you can see, some heat has got generated. I have kept the pan on slow gas. Now spread some butter on the pan, so that it gives a bit crustiness to the pizza. After you have applied the butter, slowly place the pizza in the pan and cover the pan. The heat that got generated in the pan, it will help to melt the cheese. It will take only 2 to 3 minutes for the pizza to cook. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can check the pizza. 2 minutes are over. Let's check the pizza. As you can see, the cheese has melted. Our dish is ready. As you can see, the sides have become crispy. Our chapati pizza is ready. Let's serve it now. Now, cut it into pieces. You can see how crisp it has become. If you have more than one chapati, then you can even make layers of pizza and place the layers on top of each other. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments on how you like the recipe. Share and like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.